Hi, good morning. My name's Mike Burley. I am the Territory Manager for Opico. We are here today with the Ovalc range of ploughs with Carr's Billington, our dealer for the area. Today's purpose is to explain and show to Carr's customers and representatives how the Ovalc range of ploughs work and to look at the features and benefits of them. So this is the Ovalc shallow plough. A shallow plough is, as its name says, it is here to plough to a maximum of 5 inches deep. This model is a 7 furrow and it is with the auto reset brake back mechanism. So this plough is a manual vary width. So we have 4 different positions to alter the width of the furrows. Other options are that these can be done hydraulically. This, as we said, is a shear bolt version where we can also supply this plough with auto reset brake back.